Good day, everyone. You're welcome to this week's Business and Investment Tips Program, a production of RCCG Christ Church Radio with Dr. Ayodeji Ebo, an investment professional. This week, we focus on closing 2025 with confidence, what Nigerian businesses are saying about 2026. This week, we will focus on the Central Bank of Nigeria's December 2025 Business Expectations Survey, highlighting what Nigerian businesses are experiencing and what investors should be aware of. The survey, conducted between 1st and 5th of December 2025, achieved an impressive 97.3% response rate from 1,900 business enterprises nationwide. The results indicate sustained optimism in business confidence, with firms anticipating a stable and improving macroeconomic environment. Key highlights from the December 2025 survey. 1. Overall business confidence remains positive. The Business Confidence Index (BCI) stood at 37.5 points in December 2025, unchanged from November 2025. This reflects widespread optimism among Nigerian businesses, driven by favorable expectations for business activity volume. Firms also expect confidence to rise to 52.5 points over the next 6 months. This suggests the business environment is stabilizing, with many companies preparing for growth. Investment tip: a stable confidence index signals potential for consistent corporate performance. This is a good time to identify stocks and sectors with strong momentum for long-term investment. 2. Sectoral performance: industry leads, followed by services and agriculture. All sectors showed optimism in December, with the industry sector leading at a business confidence index of 38.7 points, followed by services 37.1 points and agriculture 36.8 points. Expectations are positive for the coming months. Confidence is forecast to rise across sectors, reaching up to 54.7 points in industry within 6 months. This is supported by sustained positive outlooks and favorable business volumes. Investment tip: the industry sector, particularly manufacturing and construction, shows resilience. Investors should monitor companies in these areas that are capitalizing on improved activity for potential gains. 3. Regional trends: Northeast leads, Southeast lags. Regionally, optimism varies across Nigeria. The Northeast remains the most optimistic region, with an index of 51.5, driven by positive views across zones. Surprisingly, this did not reflect the rising insecurity in the North in recent times. The Southeast, however, recorded 27.9 points due to ongoing challenges, including insecurity and economic constraints. Investment tip: businesses and investors in the Southeast should prioritize digital or remote models that are less exposed to physical risks. The Northeast offers opportunities in agriculture and industry amid recovery efforts. 4. Business confidence by sector and activity. Business optimism was positive across sectors in December. The mining and quarrying sector led with 31.8 points, followed by agriculture 30.3, market services 28.6, and non-market services 21.1. Among selected indicators, the volume of total orders 27 and business activity 25.3 showed positive sentiment, while credit access 7.8 remained constrained. Looking ahead, firms expect increased activity 40.3 points next month and 49 points in 6 months, indicating an ongoing recovery. Investment tip: optimism in mining, quarrying, and agriculture points to opportunities in resource and infrastructure sectors, while services may strengthen as credit improves. 5. Employment and expansion, outlook positive. Firms plan to expand operations and hire more workers over the next 6 months. The agriculture sector leads in expansion plans at 75.4%, while mining and quarrying leads in employment prospects at 27.3 points for the next 6 months. The volume of business activity index signals growth in January, March, and June 2026. Investment tip: with rising labor demand, entrepreneurs and HR firms should gear up. Investors can target companies planning expansions, as they often lead in recovery phases. 6. Exchange rate and borrowing costs. Businesses anticipate steady naira appreciation across review periods with positive indices. Borrowing rates are expected to remain on a gradual decline trajectory. Investment tip: secure fixed medium-term loans now while rates remain stable. Bank stocks may benefit from potential credit growth as conditions improve. 7. Major business constraints. Despite optimism, challenges including insecurity at 74%, multiple taxes at 69.9 points, insufficient power supply at 67.9 points, high interest rates at 67.5 points, and high bank charges at 63.7 points. Investment tip: mitigate risk by investing in renewable energy, efficient logistics, and digital tools to enhance operations. 8. Capacity utilization stable. Average capacity utilization stood at 49.8% in December, slightly down from 50.1% in November 2025. This reflects steady productivity, especially in construction, 53.1%, and agriculture, 50.1%. Investment tip: stable utilization can lead to better profitability. Focus on efficient firms in high utilization sectors for investment. 9. Policy and economic implications. The December 2025 survey confirms sustained optimism among Nigerian businesses compared with earlier in the year. With confidence stable, employment prospect positive, and activity expanding, the economy shows signs of recovery. To sustain this, the CBN and government should: A. Ensure FX stability and improve credit access for key sectors. B. Address security and infrastructure issues. C. Ease tax burdens to support expansion. For investors, the message is clear. A. Focus on fundamentally strong companies. B. Accumulate gradually, especially during market pullbacks. C. Pay attention to sectors aligned with expansion, efficiency, and essential services. Even in a challenging environment, opportunities exist for disciplined long-term investors. Thank you for listening. Please join us same time next week for another interesting and insightful session. For questions, comments, and feedback, kindly forward to ebo.ayodeji@gmail.com or send an SMS to 0708-246-3747. Stay blessed and have a great week. Bye.